You wake up before the sun rises. The first thing on your mind isn't school. It isn't work either. It's YouTube. You grab your phone and immediately check your channel. You look at yesterday's views, you check your subscribers, you check your comments. Then you ask yourself the same question you ask every day. What video should you make today? While other people are getting ready for their day, you're already thinking about content. Video ideas fill your mind before breakfast. You think about titles. You think about thumbnails. You think about trends. You think about what people might want to watch. The pressure starts early because every day without content feels like a missed opportunity. You know that successful creators upload consistently, so you feel the need to keep creating. Even when you're tired, even when you're busy, even when life gets difficult. But creating videos isn't free. You need internet for everything. You need data to research topics. You need data to download files. You need data to upload videos. You need data to answer comments. You need data to study your competitors. Every week another subscription is due. Every month another data bundle disappears. Sometimes you spend your last money on data. Sometimes you wonder if it's worth it, but you keep paying because you believe your next video could change everything. Then school enters the picture. Assignments start piling up. Projects demand attention. Exams get closer every day. Teachers expect results. Parents expect good grades. The pressure keeps growing. But your channel still needs content. Your audience still expects uploads. The algorithm never takes a break, so neither do you. You spend your day studying. Then you spend your night editing. You finish assignments. Then you finish videos. You revise for exams. Then you create thumbnails. You attend classes. Then you record voiceovers. Your schedule becomes exhausting. Sleep starts feeling like a luxury. Some nights you stay awake until 2 in the morning. Other nights it's 3 in the morning. Sometimes the sun starts rising before you're done working. You tell yourself it will be worth it someday. Then work makes things even harder. You spend hours doing your job. Your energy slowly disappears. Your body wants rest. Your mind wants silence. But your channel still needs attention. So after work, you open your laptop again. You start editing. You start writing. You start planning. The cycle repeats every day. Then comes the discouragement. Family members start asking questions. They don't understand why you're spending so much time online. They don't understand why you care about views. They don't understand why you keep making videos. Some tell you to quit. Some tell you to focus on school. Some tell you to find a more realistic career. Their words begin to affect you. You start doubting yourself. Then friends make things worse. Some laugh at your channel. Some joke about your subscriber count. Some ask how much money you've made. When you say nothing, they laugh. Their laughter stays in your head. It follows you home. It follows you into your editing sessions. It follows you every time you upload. Slowly, the doubt grows. Then the views disappoint you. You spend 6 hours creating a video. It gets 10 views. You spend another 6 hours creating another video. It gets 20 views. A week later, another upload fails. Then another, then another. You refresh your analytics constantly. Nothing changes. The numbers stay low. The subscribers barely move. The motivation begins to disappear. You wonder if you're wasting your time. You wonder if everyone was right. You wonder if success is even possible. Many nights you think about quitting. You stare at your screen. You stare at your channel. You stare at your analytics. Then you ask yourself a difficult question. Should you stop? For a moment, quitting seems easier. No more pressure. No more sleepless nights. No more expensive data. No more disappointment. But something stops you. A small voice tells you to keep going. So you upload another video, then another, then another. Days become weeks. Weeks become months. Months become years. Nothing seems to change. Then one day something unusual happens. You upload a video. You don't expect much from it. You go about your day. A few hours later, you check your phone. The views are rising. At first, you think it's a mistake. Then they rise even faster. Hundreds become thousands. Thousands become tens of thousands. Your notifications explode. Comments start flooding in. Subscribers start pouring in. People begin sharing your video everywhere. Your phone won't stop vibrating. Your channel suddenly comes alive. For the first time, you're going viral. You watch the numbers climb. You can barely believe it. The video reaches 100,000 views, then 500,000, then 1 million, then even more. Every refresh shows bigger numbers. Every hour brings more subscribers. Your older videos start gaining views too. Your entire channel begins growing. The dream finally feels real. Then an email arrives. You open it immediately. Your hand starts shaking. You read every word carefully. You've qualified for the Creator Rewards program. For a moment, you sit in silence. Years of hard work flash through your mind. The sleepless nights, the failed uploads, the expensive subscriptions, the criticism, the self-doubt, the sacrifices. All of it suddenly feels worth it. Then your first earnings arrive. It's not millions, but it's real. You earned money from your content. You earned money from something people once laughed at. The feeling is unforgettable. Months pass. Your earnings increase. Your audience grows. Brands begin contacting you. Companies want partnerships. People recognize your name. More opportunities appear. Your life starts changing. The same friends who laughed now ask for advice. The same family members who doubted you now support you. The dream that seemed impossible becomes reality. People see the success. They see the views. They see the subscribers. They see the money. But they don't see the journey. They don't see the nights you wanted to quit. They don't see the sacrifices. They don't see the struggle. They don't see the years of effort behind one successful video. But you do, because you lived through every moment. And that's why you never forget where you started. You remember the low views. You remember the discouragement. You remember the failures. Most importantly, you remember why you kept going. Because if you had quit, none of this would have happened. And somewhere out there, another creator is facing the same struggles. Another creator is thinking about giving up. Another creator is wondering if success will ever come. Your story becomes proof that persistence matters. Your story becomes proof that dreams can work. Your story becomes proof that one video can change everything. So you keep creating, you keep learning, you keep improving, and you keep uploading. Because the next video might be the one that changes your life forever. As you prepare to upload your next video, you realize something. The views were never the most important part of the journey. The money wasn't either. The fame wasn't either. The most important thing was proving to yourself that you could keep going when everyone expected you to quit. You click upload. The progress bar begins moving. Another video is on its way to the world. And somewhere far away, a teenager sits alone in a small bedroom. School is stressing them out. Their family doesn't understand their dream. Their friends laugh at their channel. Their videos barely get any views. And tonight, they're thinking about quitting. They open YouTube one last time, not to upload, not to create, but to say goodbye. Then they see one of your videos. They click on it. They watch your story. They hear about the sleepless nights. They hear about the failed uploads. They hear about the expensive internet subscriptions. They hear about the criticism. They hear about the self-doubt. And they hear about the day everything changed because you chose not to give up. For the first time in weeks, they feel hope. They close the tab where they plan to quit. They open their editing software instead. They return to work on their next video. And just like that, the cycle continues. Because years ago, someone inspired you. Now you've inspired someone else. One creator refuses to quit. That creator inspires another. That creator inspires another, and another, and another. Not every video changes the internet, but sometimes one video changes a life. And sometimes that life goes on to change thousands more, all because one person decided not to give up. The screen fades to black, but the story doesn't end. Because somewhere, right now, another creator is pressing upload.